What's up, guys? Medic 1. Customer states vacuum cleaner makes a weird noise. So my little vacuum cleaner made its rounds and came back and docked, and the tower sucked the dirt out of the vacuum cleaner, and it just absolutely sounded like a dead goose dying. Check this out. So when I went and checked on it, I pulled the little basket out of there, and lo and behold, look what's in there. Still dirty. That needs to be cleaned out. That little white thing is a squeaker out of one of the dog's toys. Let's get it out of there. It's stuck right in the... No wonder this thing wasn't working good. Ooh-wee, that needs to be cleaned out, buddy. Now let's give it a try. I wish they was all that easy to fix. Y'all have a good Saturday. Medic 1.